so here we are with the Beastie Boy, or the Black Betty C150. I don't know if you can tell the scale of this Mamba Jamba, but it is made to act with whatever sort of obstacles you're dealing with. This is perfect for our North American, Saskatchewan, Alberta, British Columbia areas. It's got a huge payload and it's got a low center of gravity, so it's a lot more stable. Incredible tool here. And most importantly, the software, firmware, it's all coming out of North America. So any changes we need to make, we can get them made quickly. But this is an amazing tool.